Hello, what we got here today is this Hunter ceiling fan. It's a fairly modern one. As you may notice, I lack a pull change, and of course it's cheapish modern look. I've never been a fan of these modern fans, but I'm gonna have to get used to them soon. No blade arms or anything. The blades just snap in. There's probably a bolt or something you tighten on top. See, the globe is missing. The light does work, I would imagine. Okay, so I lied. The lights don't work. Okay, well, let's go up, start off with flow. Yeah, nope. Lights don't work. This is a Sonone. No, this is a Hunter remote. Hunter. Look at that fan spin. Less than 60 RPMs. Medium. Okay, it's more like 60 RPMs on medium. It's pretty pathetic. This fan has a bit of... Did you hear that? These shady hunters hum. Yep. Anywho, part of my French, I'm just kind of in pain at the moment. It is around evening. Let me turn it back off. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this outdoor hunter. Thank you for watching, and more to come.